Good morning students, I welcome you all for the online class. It is revision class because as we completed the chapters of business studies, now we left out with the revision of the whole chapter. First of all, I will give revision for the term 1 portions. Term 1, we will be going to start from the marketing management chapter itself. I am going to introduce you once again the product and the price mix, which is very important concept. Let us have the revision of the topic. Before that, functions of marketing management, we think it is very important to let us have the functions of marketing management one by one. Then we will be going to marketing mix, and then we will be going to the 4 mix. What we learned in the functions of marketing, do you remember? First thing what we learned in the functions of marketing management is marketing management does the analysis of the data, gathering and analyzing market information, market research. This function helps the marketer to identify the needs of the customers. Market research becomes the basis of product development, and to conduct market research, the marketer performs SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. These 4 things are needed. So very first function starts from gathering and analyzing the market information. For that, what the marketer does, they first gather the information and analyze it, and then it converts into a market information. Strength, student, very important to know, because the strength can be formed only when we know what is the things already existing in the market, what we can do, that is our strength. Okay, weakness, there definitely we are having some strength what other companies are not having. Same way we will also have some weaknesses what others are having, but in our product we cannot introduce because maybe technology we cannot accept now. Has the new company is there, the new technology is so costly that we cannot take it, or it can be the various features which we cannot have in others company are having, and it makes it goodwill. So that we have the weaknesses, we must try anyhow to adapt that things to make our weakness to be out. Then opportunity, very important thing, student. What we want to do, opportunity plays a very important role, as we know, as what we can do, what is needed to be done, what the challenges a business can have, that is the opportunity. Threats, when we go to learn what new thing we can give to the society, it is the threats. In the market analysis, we do this information. What information? First we make the study of 5 and 4 companies, and then we learn the SWOT analysis of that company, and then we understand we will make our SWOT. In the SWOT, we will first of all see what we are going to do in our product, what the things we are providing, that is our strength, and what others are not having, that also you can say the strength of the company. Weaknesses, as I said, first of all make a list of these weaknesses also, what others company are having and you are lacking. Okay, and then opportunity, what the challenges in the future period of time you can have with the product, and how we can tackle that opportunity, because challenges have to be accepted if we want to be in the market. Then threats, definitely we had planned something related to our weaknesses, that in the future how we will fight for, and we will be giving something new to our product so as to make happy our customers. What threats we can provide with the services, that will be the threats. While gathering information from market, the marketer focuses on the opportunities and threats in market and uses their strength to capture and grab the opportunities and prepare policies and plans to overcome their weaknesses and threats. Companies use internet sites, SMS facility to collect information. Some companies conduct even door-to-door research to gather information. Second is that market planning, student. After gathering and analyzing the information, we will not sit. We will be making some planning according to our market. Like for example, I already said, for medicine, the market is the hospitals. Okay, not the medical shops. For the books, the market is the schools, not the book shops, because in the book shop that book only will be available which is utilized, which is referred by the teachers and which is referred by the schools. So that study we have to make. So market planning is needed. We have to make a strong market planning. After conducting marketing research, the marketer has to plan the steps necessary to achieve marketing objectives. Under market planning, they make plan to increase or production, plan to increase sale, plan to use promotional tools, etc. Example, suppose a marketer on conducting research found that he has 10% share in the market. Then he can make a plan to increase his share to 30%, then plan for increasing level of production, plan for promoting product, etc. Product designing and development. Every marketer offers a product or a service to the customer, but what product or service has to be offered must be planned. The planning part includes the decision like what should be the quality standard used in product, what shape or design would be used, what type of packing, how many models, how it can be made better than the competitor's product, etc. For taking all these decisions, what is the product designing and development planning is needed. If marketer is dealing with refrigerator, then in product planning they decide the quality standard, size of refrigerators, color, designs and everything. Standardization and grading. When we see students, standardization means maintaining quality of the product. Standard to achieve uniformity in the product. Standardization provides quality assurance and consistency to customers. Consumers are assured about the quality of product, packing, etc. Grading means classifying the product on some basis. The basis of classification can be size, quality, etc. Grading is necessary when companies are not following strictly the company's techniques of standardization. Then what is needed? Grading is to be done. Okay. Through grading, marketer can get higher price for quality product. Grading is generally used in agriculture product, for example, wheat, rice, pulses, etc. Packaging and labeling. When we talk student, packaging plays a very important role. The product is always supplied to customer in the packed form. Packaging refers to designing of products, packets, wrappers, cartons, etc. which are used to pack the product. Packaging plays an important role in selling. An attractive packaging induces the customer to buy the product. That is why packing is called silent salesman. Labeling refers to informative part of packaging. Through label, important information is given to customers. So packaging and labeling plays a very important role. Packaging means designing of the packet, wrappers, cartons, etc. which are used to pack the product, whereas labeling refers to informative part of packaging in which complete details related to product has to be mentioned, because nowadays the consumer are conscious consumer. They want to know more about the product, even everything what is there, like for example manufacturing date till everything is needed by the customer. So what is there? Labeling will be giving some informative part of packaging. This labeling will give the information which is needed to the customer. Branding. When we talk student, branding means giving a special name to the product. Companies may decide to sell the product in company's name, or they may decide a special brand name so that people can recognize the product from far. For example, Sony BPL, this is the brand name for the electronic product people know. Here we can get the refrigerators, washing machine, TVs and everything. They know what the Sony company produce. Why? Because Sony is a brand name. Samsung they know, BPL company they know. Some of the people don't know about the BPL company because they are not used the product of them. Much earlier the BPL product was popular, but when Sony, Samsung, Panasonic, these companies had taken the part in the market, BPL market has gone down. So there are the popular brands to them. Once they played a very vital role, now some companies are playing a vital role. So the main thing is that brand plays a very vital role as people come to know about the product from the brand name. People want to have the standard of living, and for that they want a quality product to be utilized, and they know quality product are having the brand names. Like in the detergent powders also, Ariel, Tide, etc. special brand names selected by company. The brand name must be selected very carefully as a customer's loyalty depends upon the brand name. Customer support service. When we see student in present day business environment, customer is the kingpin in the market. So customer satisfaction is the main motto of every businessman. So very important function of marketing management relates to developing customer support service such as handling customer complaints, after sales service, maintenance services, customer satisfaction information, technical services, etc. Consumer will become your permanent customer only when he is satisfied with the customer support services what you provided. Pricing of products. When we see student, price means the money which a customer has to pay to buy a product or service. It is the most crucial element of marketing as customer is highly price sensitive. A little variation in price may take your customer to competitor's product. Marketer keeps in mind various factors such as objective of firm, demand, competition, etc. Promotion selling point of view. When we see student, after production of goods and the marketer needs to offer them to customers. For this he performs two basic functions, that is promotion and selling. Promotion includes all the activity which are undertaken to communicate with the customer and increase the sale. For promotion, marketer performs various functions such as advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, publicity, etc. Now comes physical distribution. When we talk about physical distribution, another important function of marketing management is to making plans regarding distribution of goods or services. Physical distribution includes decisions like choice of channels of distribution, making inventory storage, warehouses, etc. Transportation, the next function of marketing management is transportation. As your goods are ready, after the production is done, the the manufacturer always want that the goods must reach to the ultimate consumer as soon as possible, because stock can be cleared and new production can be thought of. So transportation plays a very important role in the transportation of goods and to make the goods to reach to the ultimate consumer. So transportation, the goods are not necessarily consumed at the same place where they are produced. There is a place gap between the production and the consumption. To cover this gap, the marketer makes use of various modes of transport so that goods can be transported to different corners of the country. It is not only the finished goods need to be transported, but raw materials and various other inputs are also transported from their place of origin to the place of use. The marketer compares various modes of transport on various criteria and select the best and most suitable to transport raw materials, inputs and finished goods. Transportation. Storage and warehousing, when we see student, the goods are not consumed immediately when they are produced. There is a time gap between the production and consumption. So it is necessary to keep the goods safe during the time gap, as goods need to be protected from moisture, insect, rodents, theft, etc. So marketers often maintain their own warehouses to store the products, or they make use of public warehouses to keep the goods safe and fresh till they are demanded in the market. So these were the functions of marketing management. I hope you have understood. Has already you started the project work and many things related to marketing you have done. So my work was to again give the revision of the functions of marketing management, so that no doubt will left off from the functions and you will be clear for the project as well as the term 1 portion preparation part. Marketing mix, we have learned it is a tool or a ingredient which helps the marketing management to be done, because marketing management is not a small concept, it is a broader concept. As big as much we cannot take it in once. So it is needing some particular gap must be some dividation must be there, topic wise you can say. So marketing is a tool which helps to do the marketing. It is an ingredient or the tool or variables which makes the marketing mixes in order to interact with a particular market. Definition of marketing mix is said by William J. Stanton and Philip Kotler. They said marketing mix is the term used to describe the combination of 4 inputs which constitute the core of a company's marketing system: the product, the price structure, the promotional activities and the distribution system. Marketing mix are the set of marketing tools that firms uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. Marketing mix divides into 4: product, price, place and promotion. Product mix, when we say student, that first element of the marketing mix signifies the tangible or intangible products direct to the customer, which is the satisfier of the needs. We satisfy the needs of the customers. That is the marketing mix. First part, that is the product mix. Product mix, what we do student? Product mix, we take all the important decision related to the what type of product we will be producing, what raw materials are needed for the production of the product, what way we can use the labeling, packaging of the product, what way we can distinguish our product from the market. All the important concept related to product will be used in the product concept. So that is the product mix students. I think it is clear to you people. The product element of the marketing mix signifies the tangible or intangible product offered to the customer, which is the satisfier of the need. So that is known as the marketing mix. Next comes marketing mix has been divided into 4: product, price, place and promotion. When we talk about product mix student, product mix constitutes of the following parts. Product mix contains product mix, first of all, in which product name, logo, tagline, SWOT analysis, standardization and grading, everything will be coming. The division related to all those things. Next, we will be doing the branding of the product. As I said, quality product if you are producing, definitely the product must have a brand name, because nowadays people's standard of living has been changed. They want quality product with the name of the brand name as a product. So now you have to select the best brand name, which some rules which I explained to you. Once again I will recall in the next class. Trademark, when we talk student, they are very important. Nowadays government from many years they have been explained to us that every product must have a trademark. That must be ISI mark for the electronic products and FICCI marks for the food, FSSAI marks for the food products. For cosmetics, different is there. So every product, even gold, must have the hallmark. Then only it can be traded in the market. Packaging, which plays a very vital, it is a silent salesman, because it does the selling of the product. As much the attractive the packaging will be there, so that much the sales of the product will be there. And as the people are hygienic, they want every product to be in the packed form. Labeling, in which every details related to product will be summarized in a clear way. Who is the manufacturer, when they have manufactured, the batch number of the product, packaging date, packaging quantity, every details will be mentioned, so that people will be aware of this particular product more from the labeling part. So this was for today's revision class. Next class again I will give some summarized explanation of the next price, place and promotion mix. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.